Hello, YouTube world. You guys asked for it. Here's a day of training. It's time to do some training. 2 weeks of rest after my little snip.
Barry doesn't have balls anymore.
Clean off. Just get rid of those things. They've been hanging around for 34 years. That's long enough. Kelsey's getting back into it. We're training. Since the 5 episodes I put out, everyone has asked me for training advice. I'm more than happy to help anyone, but I am far from the typical BMX training, whatever. I just do what I enjoy to do at the gym. So I figured to take you along. Don't leave comments saying I'm not doing this or this does that. I'm gonna go do what I want to do. And if you guys want to watch and if you want to take notes, feel free.
I just said,
Warm up done.
I need to turn my music off.
So we share earbuds, or AirPods. I'm too cheap to go buy my own set, so we just share our music. So I like to warm up by doing 1,000 meters on the row and ski machine. So I go 500 meters on the rower and then 500 meters on the ski machine, working my body in both directions. I kind of do everything in circuits. I don't lift heavy as much anymore, mainly because my back doesn't really take it. It really kind of flares up between lifting heavy then doing gate starts. So when I'm in the gym, I like to do everything kind of in circuit. I still go through the same movements of my BMX training, but I like to tie it into a full circuit, so I'm like working my endurance in it, I guess you can say. That's how it works in my head. So first one, we're gonna do plyos, like a pull-up circuit, bent over rows, and then the shoulder rope swings. Then a slight rest because you always want to be fully energized for any explosive movement. So after this first circuit, I'll take a little rest so I feel decently recovered for my plyos, and then the rest I don't care if I'm fully recovered for, but anything I'm doing my legs and doing explosive movements, I want to be the most recovered as possible. So that's what we're gonna do first. What you got going on over here, yoga?
I don't know. All I can think about is my baby. I like keep looking at the time. I'm like, okay, oh my god, we gotta go.
I always feel so goofy when I do those. So I'll put that there. So when I go down and get back up, I'll have a guidance to put my feet and jump up, and I'll catch the ball. Round one is done. Next up, we have single leg hex bar. If you don't know what that is, you'll see me doing it. We're gonna do RDLs. We're gonna do some bench pressing, this bar twist thing. I don't know the name of them. I usually just make up names as I go. That was wrap for that. Go have lunch, slight recovery, and then straight to sprints.
I'm getting really frustrated.
Why?
Because like I know that I took almost a year of not doing any exercise and then not being able to just go back into it. Like I jump and I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
You had a baby. If you watched episode 1 of the comeback, Kelsey was doing sprints at what, 7 months pregnant?
Yeah, I think so.
And now it's redemption time. And hopefully, as a mom, beating her 7-month pregnant sprint times. Today the day?
I think I have no choice, really.
Yeah, you don't have a choice, so. Sprints. Look at this cuteness. Oh my, look at our little snow bunny. Oh, he said hello. You ready to go do some sprints? This kind of stuff is the best part of my day right here. You think mom's gonna beat her old time? Look at, Ready to go, mama? Babe, important question. Do you wanna wear this helmet or this helmet?
I don't wanna wear either of those.
You gotta wear a helmet.
I don't wanna wear those ones.
She's going with a full face. Okay, black or red?
Red.
Go with your pants?
Yeah.
Look at that kid. You got the red pants, the red helmet. This is what a sprint session looks like now. Being a father and a mother. We got the timers out, got the baby calm, we got mama matching uniform, looking like a little peanut head inside that big old helmet. We got the flat pedals on. Kelsey's fastest one was a 3.61 on June 22nd. She was 7 months pregnant, and now she's not pregnant.
Why do I feel like I'm leaning so to the left?
It's all right, just keep your weight on your back foot. So just try to let the back wheel slide a little bit, and she opted out of the sprint block. 361, all right. All right, you're zeroed out. Oh, just straight to it, oh. That was a warm up. 4.35.
I don't think it was right here. I think it was right there.
No, it was definitely right there.
There's no way.
So we had a technical difficulty on my part. We just reviewed episode 1 from the comeback, and if you notice, there's 3 little parking blocks after the timers. I put it way too far back. I think it's right here. Yeah, I had you way off. Okay, I'll stand right here.
Ooh, she saw me.
Ready when you are. Get it, come on, hard pedals, hard pedals. Oh my God, just smoked your record time. 3.45.
Oh, that's not even smoking it. Let me do it again.
All right, zeroed out. Well, it's a 3.51.
Oh, come on.
Well, you should probably rest.
I'm not tired.
Here, let me do one.
No.
Why?
Because I'm liking this.
Why?
Because I feel good right now, and then I feel like poop after I watch you do it. Oh my God.
What are we gonna do to focus on getting a faster time?
Push down.
Okay. But remember, when you start sprinting, you gotta make sure you have good leg speed. So don't think you have to just smash all the way down. You smash to get it going. Then once you get it going, think fast legs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess
So like 3 or 4 pedals in is when you kind of get into your revolutions. Think about your legs spinning fast.
What was my fastest one? 345?
Hey, 339, let's see it. Hard. 361, but you didn't have a good start. Give me a bunny hop. Come on, we went over these skills. Bunny hop, back wheel up, come on. Scoop those back feet, or scoop those feet. Whoa, we're getting there.
Did I do it? What was my time? 600? I'm done.
Let's do just one properly from the block, all right?
Yeah, because my back foot.
The only thing you lacked that time was your start. So your back pedal's on, so put your back foot on. The bike doesn't have to be perfectly straight, so let it come over a little bit like this. Keep your weight on your back foot. You're not putting any pressure here until you sprint. Only until you start is everything will straighten up. Remember what I always tell the other kids about pulling that second pedal around?
Yeah.
So all that force and anticipate that second pedal and really pull that foot around to stomp quick, all right?
Yeah.
You can go whenever you want. You're zeroed out. Get it, girl, get it! What'd you get? Oh, 4.9. You're 4.5. Should we do one more?
Yeah.
All right.
I gotta keep going till I get it.
Last one, because I need to do my sprints before I freeze.
Look back at it.
Go. Oh! 3.40. One more, you can get a 339. Remember earlier I was like, I think you're gonna get a 339. Well, that was a 3.40.
Okay.
So you're right there.
Do I look like a dumbass when I'm doing this, or am I doing it kind of okay?
How many of you out there have never done sprints, or your first time ever doing sprints, you thought it might be a little goofy? We've all been there, it's okay. All right, babe, you're zeroed out. Good acceleration. So you had a 339. Come on. 335.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
I can't do that.
You can't fist foot while riding?
Maybe I can ride with my hands off.
21, 29, girl cruiser class.
I'm not going in that. Ain't nobody want to watch Cruiser. Sorry, I know you win your cup in Cruiser, but ain't nobody want to watch it.
Yeah, I know you're right. Racing Cruiser was just like going to the ATM. Every time I went and raced Cruiser, if I won Cruiser, it was like 500 bucks for the win. But Maxxis and paid $1,000 per win. So that turned every Pro Cruiser into like a $2,500 win.
Cool.
Good days.
Yep.
Hey, I think you did a great job.
I know I did. Hey, Will, you see that shit? Mom rocks.
All right, I gotta do mine now. Flat times to beat 2.60, 2.59, 2.55, and 2.51. 4 sprints, 4 times to beat.
That's fast. I think that was his fastest time. What do you think it was?
5.2.
4.8.
Oh, that's good. Way further ahead than where it all started, but I would hope so 6 months later.
4.9. Oh.
All right, sprint number 3. 4.7?
Yeah.
Sick. Well, at least we beat the old numbers. Sprint number 4, last one. What was my last time?
4.7.
All right, I gotta get a 4.6. Oh, I want to say 4.5. Should I just call? Should I call 4.5?
Do it.
All right, 4.5. That was a 4.6, she said. I got a lot of requests about training, so that's pretty much what goes into a day of my training, gym and sprints, to pedal faster, obviously. But that's what a Monday's training looks like to me. Tomorrow is normally a track day, but it's raining, so I hope you guys can take something from that. Feel free to leave comments with questions. I pride myself on being able to coach bike skills. When it comes to the actual gym training, sprint training, I've been doing this for a long time, so I kind of just keep repeating what I've done before. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, because more likes we get, more this video can spread and help others out there. So until the next video, thanks for watching. Later.